Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video I will make a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Phantombuster. So you will see how to find and export leads from a free LinkedIn search, how to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and how to export leads on Google Maps. So basically, I will cover everything you need to start scraping some data with Phantombuster. Let's dive in. Alright, so just before we start, if you want to try Phantombuster for free, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. Just to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you get the best available deal if one day you upgrade for a paid plan. So that being said, once you've clicked the link in the description, you will be on this page. And now all you need to do if you want to create your account is to go here and click on sign up. And then here we can create our account for free. And as you can see, no credit card is required to start the free trial. Now I just need to write my email and then password. And click on start your 14-day free trial. Now I just need to write my first name, last name, and company name. And finally, we click on sign up. Here we have some onboarding questions. So you just need to answer the questions and then we click on next. And now, as you can see, our Phantombuster account is now created. Now that you are on this page, all you need to do is to click here on Browse Phantoms. And basically, phantoms are scrapers. And you have a lot of scrapers that you can use. So for example, here on the left, you have phantoms, so scrapers for LinkedIn, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So Sales Navigator is basically a paid plan from LinkedIn. We can scrape Google, Instagram, HubSpot, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Yellow Pages, GitHub, Slack, and much more. So on this page, you have the list of all the scrapers that you can use. So all phantoms here, and here you have the details for each phantoms. So as you can see, for example, this one is for LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and with this one, you can scrape and export the results of a Sales Navigator search into a spreadsheet. This one is for LinkedIn, and with this one, you can scrape a LinkedIn search export. So if I scroll a little bit, you see that with this one, you can scrape Google Maps. You have some phantoms for Instagram, where you can just basically extract the followers of an Instagram account with this one. You can auto-follow with this one. And yeah, basically you can do a lot of things with Phantombuster. And all you need to do is that Phantombuster is built for sales and marketing purposes. So if you want to scrape data to find some leads, it's perfect. But if you need something more specific, it won't be the best tool for that. Now, just before I show you a real example where I will export leads from a free LinkedIn search, what we need to do is to validate our email address. And why it's important to do that? It's because if you don't validate your email address, your account will be deleted in 3 days. So all I need to do is to go on my Gmail account. And as you can see, I have the email from Phantombuster. So I click on it and then I click on verify my email. And as you can see, my email is successfully validated. Now let's go back to Phantombuster by clicking on Browse Phantoms. So the first example I want to show you is how to export leads from a free LinkedIn search. So if I go on LinkedIn, a free LinkedIn search is here. So you have to go on top on your computer, write head of sales, for example. Then you press enter, like this. And then it's very important if you want to add some filters to click here on all filters. Here, if you scroll a little bit, you will find some filters that you can use to find your best leads. For example, you have actively hiring, locations. So in my case, let's say that I want to target people based in the US. So I select United States. Current company, I don't care. Connections off, same. Followers off, same. I don't care. Here you have industry. For example, you want people who are head of sales in a software development company or technology, information, and media. So let's check these two choices. Then profile language, we don't care. And same here, we don't care. And then on top, we say that we filter only people because we want people at the end. Then we click on show results. And here, as you can see, we have our list of leads. So as you can see, we have a lot of leads. So we have 100 pages, and on each page, you have 10 leads. So unfortunately, on LinkedIn, you don't have a button to extract your leads, and that's why you need a tool like Phantombuster to export these people into a CSV file, for example. So if you want to do that, we need to go back on Phantombuster. Then we say that we want to scrape LinkedIn. So I select LinkedIn, and now I have to find the good phantom for this. So it's this one because we want to export the results of a LinkedIn search and we want it to be into a spreadsheet. So we click on use now. And now what we need to do is to connect our LinkedIn account to Phantombuster. The easiest way to do that is by installing the Chrome extension, or if you want, you can connect your LinkedIn account manually with your session cookie. For this tutorial, I will use the Phantombuster Chrome extension. So I click on Get Extension. Then I click on Add to Chrome. And then I click on Add Extension. And now, as you can see on top, I have the Phantombuster Chrome extension, which is perfect. Now let's go back to Phantombuster. Let's reload the page. And now, as you can see, I have my LinkedIn account here. Then what we need to do is to click on Next. And here what we need to give is a name for this search. So let's say Head of Sales in the US. And here on the right, I have to give the LinkedIn search URL. So I go back on LinkedIn, I copy the URL, then I go back on Phantombuster, then I paste, and now I click on Launch. And now my export is currently running, and I just need to wait a little bit to get my list of leads. So on top, you see one phantom is running, and if I click on it, you see that my phantom is running for 45 seconds. So I just need to wait a few minutes and I will get my export. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. So success, perfect, that's what we want. And now if I want to see my list of leads, we need to go here and click on LinkedIn leads. And then here we have the list of all the leads from our LinkedIn search. So we have some informations for each lead. We have the name, headline, connection degree, closest connection if you have a connection with the lead, location, company. You might find some company website, professional email, personal website, job. You have the company industry. And at the end, you will find some data for your scrapping, like creation date, created by, last updated, and so on. If you want to apply some filters, you just need to go here and click on filter, then add conditions. And here you can say that you want here job, head of sales. So what we need to do is to find job, contains, head of sales. And then if I go back, I can see that I only have people with a job title, head of sales. If you want to save this search with the filter that we've just applied, it's very easy. We just need to click on Save Filters as a list. And we write only head of sales. Then we click on Confirm. And now here we have a list of leads who are head of sales. Now, what you can do if you want is to find the emails of the lead, and then you can send this list of leads directly into HubSpot. And finally, if you want to export this list of leads, you just need to go here and click on Export Leads. The limitation that you will face if you use Phantombuster for free is that you can only export 10 leads for each scraping. So for this tutorial, let's click on download anyway. And here, as you can see, I have my list of 10 leads. So now what you can do with this list of leads is to upload it in your CRM or directly into an outreach tool like Lemlist. And by the way, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use Lemlist, you can click on the top right of your screen. Now, the next example I want to show you is how to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Phantombuster. So if I go on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and I click on lead filters, here on the left, I have all the filters that I can use to find my best leads. And on the right, I will find the leads who match my filters. So let's take the previous example and let's say that we want to target people with the current job title head of sales, like this. Then we press enter. And we want people based in the US. So we click on include. Now let's add one more filter. So company headcount, and you don't have this one for free on LinkedIn. It's only on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So company headcount. And now let's say we want, between 500 to 1,000 people. And you can see that with these three filters, I have 650 leads. Now, let's say that we are happy with this search and we want to export these leads into a CSV file. So unfortunately, on LinkedIn, you don't have a button where you can easily export these leads. So if you want to do that, we need to use Phantombuster. So I go back on Phantombuster, then browse Phantoms. And now I want to select Sales Navigator. And here, if I scroll a little bit, we want to use this one, Sales Navigator Search Export. So it scrapes and exports the results of a Sales Navigator search into a spreadsheet. That's exactly what we want. So I click on Use Now. And here I need to paste the Sales Navigator search URL. So I copy this, then paste. Then we click on Save. Here we select the Sales Navigator account, so this one. Then we click on Save. And now what we can give is the number of leads we want to export. So let's say 50 just for this tutorial. And then we click on Save. Finally, the last thing we need to do is to select the launch frequency. So what you can do is to launch your scrapping just once. And that's what I want to do for this tutorial. But what you can do is to launch your scrapping like twice a day, 3 times per day, and you have much more options. So for this tutorial, I will just select once, and then I click on Save. Now, if I want to start the scrapping, very easy, I just need to click on Launch. And now I just need to wait a little bit and I will get my list of leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. And now if I scroll a little bit, you see that we have here all the leads that come from my LinkedIn Sales Navigator search. Now, the next step, once you've scraped LinkedIn Sales Navigator, is to download your list of leads by clicking here on Download Results. And what you can do, for example, is to enrich this file with the verified emails of these leads. Just to let you know that if you want to export your list of leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails of your leads in just 2 clicks, I have a SaaS called Give Me Leads. And basically, when you are on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you have a button like this one. So you just need to click on Extract Leads. Then you just need to give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say 50. Then you click on Export Leads. And now the export is currently running. And at the end, I will get the verified emails of these leads. So in 23 seconds, the export is done. And now if I click on download, then download CSV, you see that I have my list of leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And most importantly, you see that you have the verified emails of your leads. So if you want to easily export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and get the verified emails, you just need to go on givemeleads.io, or you have a link in the description. Now, the third use case I want to show you is how to scrape data from Google Maps. So let's go back on my screen. And here, as you can see, we are on Google Maps. So I know that for some business, it's very useful to scrape Google Maps because you can target specific locations. So in my case, I've made an example where my search is hostel in San Francisco. So let's say that you want to target these kind of businesses. So if you want to scrape this data, it's very easy with Phantombuster. So we go here on Phantombuster. Here we want to scrape Google because it's Google Maps. And here we need to use the Google Maps Search Export Scraper. So we click on Use Now. And now what we need to give is the Google Maps URL of our search. So let's go back on our search. Let's say we want this one. So I copy and then I paste. Then I click on Save. And here you can give the number of results you want to scrape. So let's say 20, for example. Then we click on Save. Now, same here, you can select a frequency. For this tutorial, I will just keep once. Then I click on Save. And finally, I just need to click on Launch to start scraping Google Maps. All right, so my export is done. So if I scroll a little bit, you see that we have the data we've just scraped. So we have the place URL, the title, so basically the name of our hostel, the rating, review count, category. You have the address, plus code, website, and phone number. So very useful if you want to outreach these people, and you have much more informations. So with Google Maps, it's exactly the same as LinkedIn or Sales Navigator search. If you want to download your scrapping results, you just need to go here and click on Download Results. So that's all for this tutorial on Phantombuster. Don't forget that you can try Phantombuster for free by clicking the first link in the description. And if you want to try my SaaS, Give Me Leads for free to export leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator with verified emails, you have a link in the description. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.